Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I will speak about birds. Birds are animals that have feathers and wings. Most birds can fly in the sky. Some common bird names are sparrow, parrot, crow, pigeon, peacock, hen, duck, owl, eagle. Birds have two wings, two legs, and a beak. They lay eggs and build nests in trees. Birds help nature by spreading seeds and eating insects. We should not harm birds and always give them water in summer. Thank you and have a nice day.